Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. And if you're not new, you know I cannot do this kind of cornrows to save my life. But your girl just learned how to do it. And I'm so excited to share with you guys how I did them and how I learned. This is actually the first time, like literally the first time that I'm doing them on myself. I tried it on my sister after watching, girl, 1,000 videos. Like that's what I can say on YouTube on how to do cornrows. And I decided to do it on my sister just to see how my fingers move. Because every time I try to do it, like it never came out. So I did it on my sister. It actually turned out okay. And I was like, you know what? I'll try it for the first time on camera and I will share it with you guys my struggle. And I think it's usually actually better to show someone how to do something at a beginner stage so that you can, I don't know, like I feel like you probably understand it better when you're doing it at the beginning. Like it's easier to explain to people how to do it too if they've never done it before. So I figured I'll just show you my struggle. I did struggle. I definitely did. I'm going to use the Shine and Jam gel to help the hair lay down as flat as possible and just to make it stick together. You can use any gel that you like. I like this gel because it doesn't leave any white residue in my hair. So I'm just going to apply that and I'll take a brush and brush my hair. By the way, you can part your hair however you want to. I just wanted to part it this way and I just thought it would be easier. And of course, say a little prayer before you start. I needed the prayers. So I'm just going to do the first one here and just try it. You can try and follow my fingers to see how I'm doing it. But this was just the first one that I was just going to try and see if I should continue filming this video or I should go back in my living room and just sit on the couch and cry because I couldn't do it again. But luckily, like as God would have it, it actually turned out like, oh my God. Like, you can't see my face, but oh my God. Mm, girl, I was so excited that I could do it. It's crazy. So this is the first one down. So now let me show you how I do it in the second one. It's still the same thing, but now I feel like I can explain it. I was happy. Actually, before I show you the second one, this is the struggle that I had again. Like trying to do the second one, for some reason I could not remember how I was holding my fingers for the first one, and I struggled a little bit. So it's like, girl, if you struggle, just try. Calm down, because I had to calm down and, actually get into it. And then I realized the reason I was actually having a hard time is because I was watching my fingers in the mirror. So I decided not to look in the mirror at all and start doing it. So as you can see, you need three little sections. And you're going to be using your pointing finger to be grabbing the hair. So you only grab the hair when you go in the middle, as you can see, and you're using your pointing finger the whole time. And when you're using one side of your pointing finger, the other hand is the one holding pretty much all the hair, except the new hair that the pointing finger is going to grab, as you can see. So every time you grab hair in the middle section, it goes on top of the hair on the side, as you can see. So that's basically it. You're repeating that over and over again. If you need to rewind, girl, go on ahead and rewind it. But again, you're basically just using your pointing finger and you only grab the hair in the middle, like so. And then you pull it with your pointing finger, and as you can see, one hand is free to detangle your hair. By the way, if you want to make this as less frustrating as possible, make sure your hair is detangled, because girl, I was getting annoyed just because my hair was not properly detangled. So detangle your hair. But as you can see, again, I'm using the pointing finger to grab hair like so, and then I'm using that pointing finger to hold all the other hair, and now the other hand is free, and I'm going to do the same thing again using the pointing finger on that side. As you can see, the hair in the middle goes on top of the hair that was on the side. Again, I'm going, as you can see, so it's just that over and over again. I really found it helpful to do it on my sister just so that I can see the way my fingers move. And honestly, like I finished my whole head without looking in the mirror, because every time I looked in the mirror to see how my fingers are moving, I don't know if it's because the mirror is sort of like, the opposite from, from what you're doing. It just messed me up every time I try to look at myself in the mirror while doing it. So I just had to rely on knowing how the fingers are supposed to move. And that's all I did. So I hope this helps you guys. if you learn and you actually do a successful cornrow, please, girl, leave a comment down below and let me know if you've tried it. And if you can do a cornrow or not, or if you think you can do it, girl, just try it. Please try it. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I feel that I can finally do this cornrow. I don't even know the name of it. I know I can do an inverted cornrow, but this one, I have never been able to do it. Now I feel like I'm fully like a natural hair girl, you know? As funny as that sounds. But I will shut up and let you continue watching. Just watch how the fingers move. It's literally that over and over again. Now, I should not say it like it's easy because if you know how long it took me to learn how to do this braid, I literally gave up and for some reason I just tried it and it worked this time. I don't know. So I'll let you watch it. I won't even pretend that it's easy because it took me forever to get it, but watch it and hopefully you'll be able to learn from watching it too. So I'll do a few more examples, like just one more example, and then we'll go on with the video. So I was connecting my ends because I was going to do a little band at the back as you saw in the beginning. I'll probably learn how to do the feed and cornrows soon, but I want to get a hang of this one first before I start adding any hair extensions into it. But you know, when I do it, I'll definitely record it and we can learn together again. I'll probably be setting myself up for more frustrations, but you know me, I like to try new things and I feel so happy when I can do it. So you should try it too, girl. Just try it and save your money. Because I swear, like, if one thing that actually happened, see, when we moved to Canada, my family moved to Canada from Kenya. And when we moved here, my mom was just like, no one is going to pay all that money to take all of you girls to the salon because I have three other sisters. So we have four girls plus my mom, five girls. And when we went to get our hair done, like someone was like, it's like $200 or $300 to get your braids done, like box braids. And my mom was just like, y'all know I have no money, so sort yourself out. I'm so glad that I can finally sort myself out. Look at this. So just because I don't like pulling my edges into my hair, I usually go in with a gel, or you can use whatever you use to lay your hair. And I just use that to lay all the hair into the cornrow and to make it look neat. And then I tie the scarf and I wait for it to dry. And there it is. So I'm just spinning the little tail at the back because I'm just going to do a crochet band. You can use any hair. I'm using Mali hair and I'm using about like 3/4 of the pack. And if you don't know how to crochet, this is how you do the crochet. Okay, so here it is, all of it. And by the way, if you're new here, girl, don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, we're having a lot of fun learning about our hair, learning to be natural, and also to save money on our hair. So as you can see, I'm just doing a loose-ish braid with the ponytail thing because I want to wrap it into a little band. And I figured I'll just do a braid because I have braids at the front, or cornrows at the front. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to wrap the band and just, try to make it look nice-ish. I obviously cannot see my back, but I feel like I usually always do it the same way. So I have kind of figured out how I usually want it to look like, or at least my fingers know how it feels like. So I'm just going to use some pins to make sure that it's pinned in place and it's not moving. I like doing the crochet because like I never have to worry about it like falling down or flying away or some shit. Oh my god, I did not just swear. I did not. Or something like that. So after it was all like it felt nice to me, that was it. As you can see, guys, I'm so happy that I can finally do this cornrows. If you learned something, don't forget to leave a thumbs up And also leave a comment down below. And the earrings for today are this lovely blue earrings of Africa that I got when I was in Kenya. Most of my earrings, I got them in Kenya. But this is it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, again, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. I hope I see you guys on Wednesday. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.